In main.css, locate .contact button, a links or a tag .contact button. Which is the selector for anchor elements that have a parent with the contact button class. Beneath the properties already listed for contact button, a selector adds contact button a position relative. Next, locate the contact button a active link. Okay, use it. It's a set of class selector which we use to style an element only while it's being clicked. Add the following CSS to the selector top pixels. Right there. Here you go. Let's move forward. Okay, review. Css skills, border, padding, margin, display, inline, flex, float, and position.
Right, so in the following code, how many images will display per row on the tablet-sized devices and larger? So div class row, and we've got two divs within that row, and then we got another div class row, then another two divs. So with each div having an image in each, so 2 images per row. Right, Bootstrap is CSS rules that are used to create layouts for large screens only. A grid that contains 24 columns, a library styling rules that are built into HTML, a set of pre-written CSS rules designed to help you build web pages faster. Yeah. A set of pre-written CSS rules designed to help you build the web pages faster. What is a Jumbotron? A large showcase section featuring important content. Section that displays supporting content. It's a large showcase section featuring important content. A web page with a responsive layout. All of these can be achieved with Bootstrap. Changes to accommodate different screen sizes. Maintains a desired layout on different screen sizes. Can be achieved with Bootstrap. Changes to accommodate different screen sizes. Maintains a desired layout and different. All of these. Which choice describes the following Bootstrap implementation? Each piece spans 8 columns. The H1 and nav will be displayed on separate rows on the web page. The H1 spans 4 grid columns, and nav spans 8 columns. So if you guys recall, col sm4 spans 4 columns, and then the col sm8 class spans 8 columns. So it's definitely this. But this is now a grid, and the nav elements are within. Alright, so which class is used to span 4 columns on Bootstrap's grid? Col sm4. Which is needed in order to use Bootstrap classes on HTML elements? a comment in HTML file that reads require Bootstrap, a custom style sheet called style.css, an HTML link element with an href attribute set to the Bootstrap URL. Definitely that. Which Bootstrap class could fill in the blank to create a row? Just the row. Okay, up next.